the family, who all are there in your family, what we call uncle's brother, mother's sister, and all that. So it is all about the relation and your family. So let's see how they are teaching us. Okay, so lesson number 3, page number 14. Open your page number 14 and come to lesson number 3, family. And if you are listening and reading with me, that will be a very good thing, so that you can pronounce the words correctly and understand the lesson very easily. So let's start. Do you know what a family is? A family has a mother, a father, and their children living together. Okay, so what do you mean by family? The topic which we are learning is family. And what is the meaning of a family? A family is where mother, father, and their children all live together. Okay, they don't stay in separate flat. They all stay in one place. That is called as family. So, do you know what family is? A family has a father, mother, and their children living together. You, your father and mother, and your brother and sisters are a family. Okay? So, what exactly is a family? You, that means if you are staying with your parents, you, your brother, your sister, your mother, your father, you all are a family. Okay, I hope this is very clear. What is a family? A family has a mother, father, and their children living together. Okay, the main is living together is called as a family. And you, your father, your mother, your brother, and your sister are a family. Okay, what are all these relations called as family? You, your father, your mother, and your brothers, sisters are a family. Okay, your mother and father are your parents. Okay, so the question can come: what are parents? Your father and mother are your parents. You and your brother. Okay, listen very carefully, don't get confused in the relations. You and your brothers and sisters are your children. Whose children? Your parents' children. Okay, your father and your mother. Okay, your father and your mother are your parents. You and your brother or sister are their children. If you are a girl, you are their daughter. Okay? If you are a girl, you are their daughter. And if you are a boy, you are their son. You are their son. Okay? So don't get confused what the relation is. Don't mix match anything. I'll read again for you. Your father and mother are your parents. Okay? Your father and mother, your mom and your dad are your parents. You and your brother. You and your brother. It can be small brother, it can be a big brother. Okay? You and your brother and sister. Again, it can be a small sister or a big sister. Are their children. Okay? If you are a girl, you are their daughter. Okay? So, they call you, your parents call you as a daughter. If you are a girl, you are their daughter. And if you are a boy, you are a son. Okay? If you are a boy, you are their son. So I hope this family is clear with you. Let's go down and see. So now here you can see a small family of Joshi. See, Mr. Joshi's family is this. Parents, mother, father, son, daughter. Okay, so how we call them as mother, father, son and daughter. So let's see They are telling, the mother is telling, I am Uma Joshi. So her name is Uma Joshi. I am Hema and Ravi's mother. So where are the two children? Here. Hema, the daughter, Ravi, the son. I am Hema and Ravi's mother. And what Hema is telling? I am Hema Joshi. I am Ravi's sister. I am Raj Joshi. His father's name is Raj Joshi. I am Hema and Ravi's father. And the Ravi last one is telling, I am Ravi Joshi. I am Hema's brother. Okay? So don't get confused. Even you can make the chart at your home and see how many members you are there in your family. Ravi and his sister Hema live with their parents. Now this is a family. I told you who all belongs to a family. A family has a father, mother and their children living together. Okay, what is a family? A family has a mother, father and their children living together. So here also they are telling this Joshi family, Ravi and his sister Hema live with their parents. Okay, Ravi and his sister Hema live with their parents. Their family is small. So here we can make out there are two types of family. One is big family, one is small family. Now what is small family? In a small family, mother, father and their children live. Okay? What is small family? In a small family, mother, father and their children live. What is a big family? A big family is where grandmother, grandparents, you can say grandparents, their children and their children live together is called a big family. Okay? So, Ravi and his sister Hema live with their parents. Their family is small. So, only mother, father and two children are there. No other relatives is there. So, that is called as a small family. And what is a big family? Let's see. Their friend Tina lives in a large family. So they are having a friend also with the name of Tina. And where Tina lives in a large family. She lives with her parents, grandparents, grandmother, uncle, aunt and cousins. Okay. So how Tina's family is? Tina lives in a larger family. She lives with her parents, grandmother, grandmother and grandfather are also called as grandparents. Okay. So she lives with her parents, grandparents, or you can say grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt and cousins. So Tina's grandmother and grandfather, uncle, aunt and cousins are her relatives. Okay. So who is relative? Who are your relatives? You can make out grandfather, grandmother, uncle, aunt and cousins. All these are your relatives. Okay. So again I'll read, so don't get confused. Ravi and his sister Hema. Okay. Ravi and his sister Hema live with their parents. Their family is small. Their friend Tina lives in a large family. She lives with her parents. Tina lives with her parents, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt and cousins. Tina's grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt and cousin are her relatives. Okay, so I hope this is very clear. Let's read one more time and do it. Do you know what a family is? A family has a father, mother and their children living together. You, your father and mother and your brothers and sisters are a family. Okay? A family has father and a mother, father, mother, and the children living together. Okay? So what is a family? A family has a father, mother, and their children living together. You, your father and mother, and your brothers and sisters are a family. Okay? Your father and mother are your parents. Okay? Your father and your mother. Who are they? They are your parents. You and your brother and sisters are their children. You and your brother and sisters are their children. If you are a girl, you are the daughter. If you are a boy, you are their son. Okay? So I hope this is clear. Let's go down for small family and a big family. Ravi and his sister Hema lived with their parents. Okay? Ravi and his sister Hema lived with their parents. Their family is small. Okay, why the family is small? Because only mother, father and their children are living. No other relatives are staying with them. So their family is small. Their friend Tina lives in a larger family. Okay, so they have a friend with the name of Tina, and where Tina lives in a large family. She lives with her parents, grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt and cousins. Tina's grandmother, grandfather, uncle, aunt and cousins are her relatives. So what relatives you have, you can check with your parents and ask them how many relatives we have and where they stay. So first page, I hope this is very clear. Let's go to the another page. So come to page number 1515. Okay. So first new words. There are some new words maybe for you. So let's check out if you know or no. Grandmother. Who is grandmother? Grandmother is father's mother or mother's mother. Okay. Your father's mother is your grandmother, or your mother's mother we call as grandmother. Same applies for grandfather, grandfather, father's father. Okay, your father's father is your grandfather, and same for mother side also. Your mother's father is your grandfather. Now uncle, father's brother. Okay, who we call as uncle is father's brother. Your father's brother is your uncle. Your mother's brother is your uncle. And your aunt's husband also is your uncle. Aunt, father's sister. Who is aunt? Aunt is father's sister. Mother's sister or uncle's wife. Cousin, child of aunt and uncle. Okay, so who all are your cousins? Child of aunt and uncle. Relative, who are relatives? A person in your family like grandparent, uncle, aunt or cousins. They all are your relatives. Family name, a part of your name that you share with other people in your family. That is we call as surname. Okay, our surnames are same in our full family. Okay, even your father's surname is same, mother's, brothers, grandparents from father's side. Okay, so all are having one family name, that is surname. Okay, I hope this is clear. We'll read one more time. Grandmother. Grandmother is father's mother or mother's mother. Who is grandmother? Father's mother or mother's mother. Grandfather, father's father or mother's father. Okay. Uncle, father's brother mother's brother or aunt's husband. Aunt, father's sister. Who is aunt? Aunt is father's sister, mother's sister, uncle's wife. Okay? Cousin, child of aunt and uncle. Who all are your cousins? They are child of aunt and uncle. Relative, a person in your family like grandparent, uncle, aunt or cousins. Family name, a part of your name that you share with other people in your family. A part of your name that you share with other people in your family. I said about the surname. Okay, so these were the new words and the relations we called as. So let's come to the exercise and we will see what it is. So here a small family is drawn and let's see oral questions. Ani and Anu are parents. Name their son. So you can see a family over here. Okay, and what we have to do? We have to name. Already the names are given. You just have to tell me. Ani and Anu are parents. Name their son. Now you have to look at the picture and name the son is Jay. Neha is Ani's and Anu's daughter. Very good. She is Jay's sister. Who is Jay and Neha's mother? You can make up Anu. Okay. Who is Neha's brother? You can see in the picture Jay. Now match the following. Father's brother. I explained you before only father's brother was uncle. Parent's daughter, sister. Grandparent's son, father. Cousin mother, aunt. Aunt's son, your cousins. Grandparent's daughter, your mother. This is very easy and I hope you can do it. Let's come to page number 16. True or false? Write T for true, F for false. Your mother is one of your parents. Correct. So we have to write down T. Your father's father is your uncle. Your father's father is your uncle. No, they are your grandparents. Your brother is your parent's son. Yes. So you have to write down T. Your friends belong to your family. No. Your cousins are your parents' children. No. Your father's parents are your grandparents. Correct. So we have to write down T. What is a family? I explained you before only. Name 3 kinds of relatives. You can ask your parents and write down the relatives. And you can stick a picture in this according to your family. I hope this chapter was very easy for you children. Please keep reading so that it will be easy for you all to answer one-line questions. Thank you.